If you're not on board with AI and you're in a sales role, you're already behind the curve. However, you're not too late. You've still got time to understand how AI can help salespeople and the sales team improve their sales and improve their time management. Lots of ways AI can help within sales. Here's a few of the ways that we use AI in sales and how we talk to other teams when we do sales training about how they can use AI in sales. So one of the things we do is if we're thinking about writing posts for social media or blogs for the website or free material to go out to our clients, such as how-to guides, we use AI, first of all, to research a topic or to research the latest trends. Then we take that research and we go into another AI tool and help us flesh out the content. And that saves us an inordinate amount of time. I think ethical AI is something to mention here. We would never use a system to research and then use a system to write it and not check it and not have any human involvement in it. We use it as a tool to save time, not to replace a human being. We also use it to help us when we're writing proposals. We use it to help us when we're researching clients. We use it to help us if we're doing a presentation. We use it to help us do a PowerPoint presentation, etc. We can also use it to do research on lead segmentation, lead probability. There are so many things that we use it for. We also use it to help save time. So there are so many time apps that we use. So when I go to a meeting, I use a particular AI app so that I can record the notes and have them sent through to me on a Word document by the time I get back into the office, which means I don't need to think about making notes. I don't have to write up the notes for the proposal. I could literally sit here and tell you another 100 ways which we use AI. The point is, there will be many ways that you as a salesperson or you as a sales leader can use AI in sales to help you improve your sales conversions, to help you save time, to help you get the best information.